I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing tools and a safe copy of the file. First, make a duplicate of the exe and place it in a clean working folder. This avoids corrupting the original. Next, install an archive extractor like 7-zip to inspect the exe's embedded files and ensure Python plus pip are available. Once done, install a decompiler such as uncompile 6 or decompile 3 with pip so you can convert bytecode back to readable Python. Now you have the essentials to begin extraction. Once the exe is extracted, locate Python bytecode or bundled archives inside. Look for pic, pio, zip, or piz files. You should also check for native extensions like pid, which won't decompile to Python. If you find a packaged zip, unzip it into your working folder, then run a decompiler on each. Pic file using a command like uncompile 6.0 output dir input. Pic. Make sure to preserve file structure so imports resolve. If errors appear, retry with a different decompiler version. You finish by reconstructing the original package layout and running the recovered scripts to verify behavior. Fix broken imports, adjust file names, and replace obvious obfuscated identifiers so the code runs. You'll often need to read and refactor logic by hand. Once tests pass locally, clean up comments and add documentation. If things go wrong, try alternative decompilers, dump memory at runtime, or use a different Python version for decompilation. Those steps recover more compatible byte.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.